Okay, alright. Hi and welcome back to our educators. So for today, I'm going to continue with my 6.8 subtopic salts, crystals and their uses in daily life. Okay, in the first video, I already give you a small introduction on how does salts works, sounds, and some of the what do you call that concept that you should master up in this subtopic. So I already pecahkan this subtopic, divide this subtopic to 4 important things. One is about salt, another one is about the preparation of salt, another one is about the effect of salts when there is a presence of heat, and the last one is the qualitative analysis. So there are 4 stuffs. Okay, so in this video we're still in the first stuff, which is about salt actually, but this is part 2 for the first stuff. Okay, first, salt meaning. Okay, basically you should know that salt ataupun in bahasa Melayu we call garam. Okay, so this is what salt your mom used in dapur, betul tak? Used in kitchen. Okay, the salt that your mom used in dapur or kitchen, we call this as NaCl. In bahasa Melayu, natrium chloride, while in English it is sodium chloride. Okay, sodium chloride. Okay, so you should know sodium is the cation, chloride is the anion by time, and you should know the ionic formula. Itu the first one. Okay, second one, how does this salt comes from? Like let's say you go and ask your mom, "Mom, where does salts come from?" Then your mom say, "I also don't know for sure," because they don't know that the reaction of producing salt is something on acid. Okay, why? Because you learn about acid base or you tahu tak before this you learn neutralization kan. So when your neutralization you learn that whenever you reactkan acid and base you will get salt and water, betul? So itulah the concept why these three you belajar sekali. This one interconnected with this one interconnected with this one, and this one interconnected is this one, and this one also interconnected with this one. Dia macam all this ada dia punya persamaan, and all this can contribute to each one punya presence. Faham tak? That is the basic concept lah. Okay, if you read here, the common table salt is in cooking is made of sodium ions and chloride ions. Okay, so that is NaCl. Okay, so the first one, wait, I take my highlighter, I highlight here. Okay, this one is referring to NaCl. NaCl. Okay, next they say about eggshell, correct? Okay, eggshell is made of calcium ions and also carbonate ions. Okay, so like you nak masak telur, of course you will pecahkan the telur, you akan tengok the cangkang, right? The cangkang, the outer shell of the egg is consists of calcium. The shell is calcium and inside is carbonate basically. So the eggshell, if they ask what is the salt in the eggshell, it is CaCO3, which is calcium carbonate. If they ask salt, table salt, it is NaCl. So these are the two things that you should know. But there is one difference. Okay, this CaCO3 is insoluble. Okay, while this NaCl is soluble salt. Okay, so there is the difference between these two things. So later you will know why it is not insoluble, why it is soluble. So for this video I won't talk anything about soluble, insoluble. I just bagi tahu you that these are insoluble, these are soluble. So just you tahu dulu, nanti you akan tahu kenapa dia insoluble, kenapa dia soluble. Okay, so and then I already told to you, right? We have salt from the combination of cation and anion. Betul tak saya bagi tahu kan tadi? So basically cation is metal, right? While anion is non-metal. So when metal and non-metal gabung, it will produce an ion. It is an ion and this is a compound, betul? So that is why we call this as ionic compound. Okay, so that's why salt is ionic compound. So don't ever say that salt is covalent compound. It's absolutely wrong. Don't ever say that. Salt is always, what type of salt also, it is always ionic compound. Okay, highlight this point. Okay, this may become in your paper 1. They ask you what type of compound salt is. Okay, then next one. Salt can be produced from the neutralizer. Ini saya dah terang dah kan? Okay. So ini just basic sahaja yang you kena tahu. Dan tadi saya dah bagi tahu salt ada dua type, betul? Kejap. Okay. Salt ada juga soluble and insoluble. Tak apalah, saya beritahu kat video ni terus. Nanti you taklah rasa tak lengkap video ni. Okay. So basically soluble salt itu maksudnya salt that dissolve in water at room temperature. Betul tak? Not hot water tau. You can see here mana. Okay. Dia dissolve in water at room temperature. Okay. Okay, while yang insoluble maksudnya salt yang that do not dissolve or that don't dissolve. Okay, the word is dissolve, you know. Dissolve in water at room temperature. So dah settle lah. Ni je beza dua tu. Kita ada apa yang sangat obvious pun. Okay. So tak apa, saya terang juga kat sini sebab nak bagi lengkap. Okay, so ini nanti you will learn in 6.9 nanti I guess. Okay, so ni tak apa, boleh tulis dulu your notes. Okay, kita terus masuk kat sini. Okay, how does production of salt? How does salt produce? Okay, so nak produce salt ini we need acid. Faham tak? Acid memang compulsory kena ada. Okay, don't ever ask why. Okay, because mainly nak hasilkan salt memang we need acid. Okay, so see here my definition. You see, ionic compound form when the hydrogen ion from the acid is replaced with metal ion or the ammonium ion. Okay, macam mana tu? Macam ni. Okay, what I said, you nak buat apa-apa salt pun, to produce any salt, acid is compulsory. Without acid, the production of salt won't occur. Is compulsory. Okay, why like this? Okay, basic lah. You punya acid, you ada few acid in your syllabus, betul? You got HCl, you have HNO3, you have H2SO4. These all are the strong acids. So what we will do, this is the acid that you have kan. So from all this acid, we will take out its hydrogen ion. Maksudnya when we want to do get the formula, the salt punya formula, we will take the hydrogen ion from acid. Okay, we will take its hydrogen ion. We won't take the other ions. We will see the hydrogen ion only from the acid. So that is why the definition sounds like this. Tak apalah, aku scroll kat sini. Salt is an ionic compound formed when the hydrogen ion from the acid. Because memang dia punya rules. Okay, hydrogen ion from acid is replaced with the metal ion or ammonium ion. Okay, macam ni lah contohnya. For the first ni, reaction between acid and alkali. Okay, mari kita tengok. Okay, first one lah I tulis. Okay, so this one number 1. This one is your first one. This one is your second reaction. This one is your third reaction. This one is your fourth reaction. Okay, so let's say you ada satu acid HCl. Okay, and you ada one type of alkali. Okay, let's say lah you choose NaOH. Okay, one type of alkali. Okay, it's going to produce salt, right? So macam mana nak tahu formula of the salt when you only tahu that I punya formula sahaja? So the way it's very simple. Nampak tak you punya HCl and NaOH? So these two things you kena separatekan dia. Faham tak? You have to separate these two its ion. So what are the ions in HCl? One is H plus, another one is Cl minus. Maksudnya you tulis balik, you write back the cations and anions of that HCl. Okay, and NaOH, what is the cation? Na plus lah. What is the anion? OH minus. So kalau you tak tahu which one is cation or anion, by this time you are in a big problem. So go back to chapter 3 and memorize the table. So if you memorize the table, then you know which one is anion, which one is cation. Okay, then what I say, we want to find the formula of the salt, right? So first step is we always separate this acid and dia punya partner to its ions. Then after that, remember, for acid, what is that we are going to take? For acid, we always going to take the H plus, the cation. Okay. And for other substance, maksudnya acid punya partner, like this case acid punya partner is NaOH. Like the second case, you nampak acid punya partner reactive metal. In third case, you nampak acid punya partner metal carbonate. And fourth case, you nampak acid punya carbonate aqueous ammonia. So the partner to we won't take the cation because we already take the cation of acid, right? So always we take cation, maksudnya partner always akan bagi dia punya anion. That is the step. It's memang tak berubah. Tak pernah ada situasi that you take chloride from acid and you take anion from base or alkali. No. Acid will always, whatever formula, whatever product, whatever chemical equation it is, acid always akan bagi hydrogen ion saja. Dia punya anion dia tak akan bagi. Dia akan bagi dia punya cation H+. And this thing punya anion. This thing punya anion will be combine lah. Okay. Dia akan combine. Okay, itu secara basic if we want to get. Okay, tapi in this case it is not a matter of the a matter of the formula. It is a matter on how we are going to create the salt formula. So apa kita akan buat, walaupun kita dah pecahkan, kita takkan simply take like this, like what we do for the for the acid reaction yang kat depan tu yang kita belajar tu. Faham tak? Yang kat depan tu kita, kalau kita belajar the properties of acid, which we will take this H plus and NaOH, kita akan combine. Itu another one. Okay, what for this one, we will always do macam ni. Okay, we will always take the cation of the partner punya cation, this one we will take Na plus, right? Okay, itu cation dia. We will take this cation, dia akan pergi ke acid, dia akan buang H plus ni kat luar, dia akan letak Na kat tempat H plus. Faham tak? So it happens like this, NaCl, and kan H plus ni keluarkan, dia akan keluar, dia akan datang kat sini. So dia ada HOH, ada 2 H, so that's why kita come out dengan H2O. Okay, so itulah maksud dia. So basically what I'm trying to say is, from the definition itself, when we have one acid and one alkali, what we do, we take the cation of the partner. Of acid, kita memang always see dia punya hydrogen je. Okay, so we take the cation of this thing punya cation adalah Na+. Okay, so this Na will travel from here. Okay, it will go to the acid. It will kick the acid punya cation. Why it can kick acid punya cation, not acid punya alkali, acid punya anion? Because this one is an alkali. Dan for partner, kita always pilih cation, right? So cation only can remove cation. Cation cannot remove an ion. So that's why lah, this Na, which is a cation here, for the partner we always take cation. I repeat another one time. So this cation punya partner ni, this thing Na, it will kick this H2 out, and dia akan ambil tempat tu. So dia jadi NaCl and H2O for the first one. Okay, let's say we do another one. Okay, I have another one equation lah. Okay, I do HNO3, and let's say for base we have NaOH. Okay, so they ask what is the salt that form, right? Okay, apa you akan buat? For this one is the acid, this one is the alkali. So cham tu dulu. Okay, so my first step will always I write, okay, this one is acid, this one is alkali. Okay, and what we will do, from the alkali, what we will take? We will take the Na plus ke atau OH minus? We will take Na plus because ini partner kepada acid. So kita akan ambil partner kepada acid punya cation saja. We will just take the cation of the acid punya partner. So this Na will come to this acid and it will kick this H plus to outside. Then it will take the place of the H. So it will be NaNO3 and this H will be H2O. Faham tak? So this is the step. Okay, come we do another one. Okay, let's say I have H2SO4 and I have KOH, which is also an alkali. Okay, this one is acid, this one is alkali. So write first, ni acid. Tak apalah, I guna different color. Okay, this one lah. Okay, this one is acid, this one is alkali. So what we do, acid punya partner, we will always see dia punya cation. Lantar lah dia punya anion whatever pun. So the cation for this partner is K, correct? So this K will move from here, will go to here. It will kick this whole hydrogen to outside. Okay, it will kick the whole hydrogen to outside and baru ada masalah kat sini. Okay, why does? Because ni K plus, betul? Dan yang ni SO4 2 minus. Maksudnya it won't kick H. Kejap it won't kick 2 kat bawah tu. It will just kick hydrogen because see they say hydrogen ion. So it will kick this hydrogen only. Hydrogen ni akan keluar, the 2 will be remaining there. So it will simply occupy K2SO4. Faham tak? And H2O. Okay, so dah settle untuk the first one. Okay, so saya dah bagi 3 examples for this first one. Okay, so remember that whatever it is, acid react dengan apa-apa pun, we will move out acid punya hydrogen. Subscript kau kacau. We will move out subscript sahaja, then we will place the element from the partner letak kat acid tu. So barulah dapat salt lah. Okay, so let's say ini kalau your acid with mana-mana alkali. Okay, if let's say your acid react with mana-mana reactive metal, boleh juga. Reactive metal is partner lah at this case. Okay, acid with reactive metal. Okay, so reactive metal is up to you lah, you nak choose yang mana. Okay, so I usually would say that famous reactive metal adalah famous one lah, famous one plumbum, which is lead, zinc, calcium, apa lagi magnesium, sodium, adalah banyak lagi. Okay, ni senang sikit this one. Okay, so choose any one of the acid. Okay, macam this question, okay, dia ambil HCl. Oh yeah, just now I tak balancekan my equation lah. So in exam pastikan you balancekan. I just tak balancekan sebab I tengah rushing. So that's why lah I tak balancekan. Okay, fine, tak apa, whatever it is lah. Mana dia? Okay, tak apalah, aku balancekan juga. Nanti ada juga yang attack aku. Letaklah 2 kat sini for this one. So automatic dah kena letak 2 kat sini. So sekejap Okay, letak 2 kat sini. Kejap. So lengkap lah. Okay, so balance. Okay, yang ni acid with reactive metal. Okay, let's say you punya acid sekarang dia nak react dengan mana-mana reactive metal. Okay, tadi I bagi a few example kan. Okay, contoh macam this question, dia ambil HCl and zinc. Okay, so remember that apa zinc ni akan buat. Zinc ni dia punya cation which is Zn2+. Kan saya katakan partner acid punya cation yang kita akan consider. Acid kita akan consider dia punya H+ sahaja. It's all about the cation. So zinc ini dia akan buat apa? Dia akan ambil terus, dia akan berjalan dari sini sini. Kan ada hydrogen kan, dia akan bulat this hydrogen, dia akan buang hydrogen. And you know zinc ini sebenarnya Zn2+. Betul tak? So Zn2+ dia akan gabung dengan Cl-. So kalau dia gabung, dia membentuk ZnCl2. Dapat? And also of course lah, dia punya byproduct adalah hydrogen. Ini property of acid. Okay, so let's say kalau lah you tak nak HCl, okay, you ambil HNO3. Okay, and you ambil magnesium contohnya. Okay, so the first step is to write dia punya ion. It's Mg2+ lah ion dia. So Mg2+ ni dia akan berjalan dari sini. Okay, then dia akan bulatkan H ni, dia akan buang H ni kat luar. So H ni automatic dia dah kena buang, dia jadi H2 kat sini. Okay, so tinggal Mg2+ dan NO3 kan. So NO3 ni kena tahu lah dia punya ion adalah NO3. minus. Betul? Then silangkanlah charge your Mg2 plus and NO3 minus. So you change the charge, it will be ended up by being MgNO3. Okay, basically orang selalu comment about M. Pastikan when you write your M, you punya M ni muncung dia tajam, baru is correct. Okay, so you will get magnesium nitrate lah as your final product. So basically all of this is about the cations. Okay, done. Okay, so done lah for this one also. We will take the cation of the partner. Dia akan buang the partner, the acid punya cation tu je. Okay, same concept when acid with metal carbonate. Okay, let's see. Acid with metal carbonate. Okay. But in exam pastikan lepas you dah tulis you balance. I just want to teach as fast as I can. So that's why I just didn't teach you balance. Okay. By the time you dah tahu which one you have to balance, cannot balance. Okay. What is metal carbonate? Okay. Actually, metal carbonate is like this. You put any metal. Okay. Any metal at front. Okay. Choose lah. Okay. Let's say I choose Mg. So Mg punya ion adalah Mg2 plus. Carbonate adalah CO3 2 minus. Charge yang sama it will cancel. So tinggalnya MgCO3. Okay. So this is an example of metal carbonate. Okay. So if let's say you don't want Mg, okay, you choose Na plus. And carbonate CO3 2 minus. Ini 1, ini 2 kan dia akan silang. So it will produce Na2CO3 as the metal carbonate. Okay. Why we call this as metal carbonate? The first element is metal and the remaining two elements are carbonate. So that's why we call this as metal carbonate. So in metal carbonate, belakang dia always carbonate ion lah, and ion dia always carbonate. Okay. Dah. Settle. Faham? Okay. So let's say now, based on this contoh dia guna HCl. Okay, and dia pilih CaCO3, correct? Okay, so what they will do, first step, we write first the ions. Ni H plus, ni Cl minus. This one if you pecah Ca2 plus and CO3 2 minus. Then what we will do, we will take this Ca2 plus, it will walk from here, and it go to this H plus, dia akan kick H plus keluar. Okay, so tinggalnya H plus ni kan dah keluar kan, so dia akan duduk kat sini sebagai H2O. In this thing lah, dia akan duduk sebagai H2O. Dia punya phase adalah cecair lah, but no need to write the phase. Okay, and metal carbonate dia punya byproduct usually CO2 and H2O. So whenever you saw any reaction of acid with metal carbonate except the salt, you can write these two first, CO2 and H2O. Memang it will be there. Okay, so this Ca2 will walk from here, go. Kan H plus dah out, right? So the one that tinggal adalah Ca2 plus and Cl minus. So it will ganti the tempat dengan syarat, you see, Ca2 plus and Cl minus. So silang charge lagi sekali. So CaCl2. This is the formula of the salt. And then you kena balancekan lah. Put 2 lah at front. Okay, so dia akan balance. So basically why I put this jalan-jalan ni untuk nak bagi faham. Okay, and the last one is, okay, video is getting longer, but sorry. Last one is aqueous ammonia. Okay, ammonia and ammonium. Okay, ammonia is just NH3. Kalau ammonium, I remember like this. Okay, ammonium, right? Okay, so dia ada neum. This neum at belakang ada 4 words, correct? So NH ada 4 kat bawah. Kalau macam ammonia, so ada 3 words kat belakang. Ni ada 4 words. We count from the end lah. So ni ada 3 words. That's why I letak NH3. And then this one ada 4 words from the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why 4 kat bawah. And 4 besar ke 3 besar? 4 lah besar. That's why we put 1 plus ke atas untuk ammonium. Ni cara nak ingat lah. Okay, so this is how I remember. Or you want to simply remember pun boleh juga. NH3 ammonia, NH 4 plus adalah ammonium. Okay, why are dia macam tu? We see from the end. from the end we have 4 words for ammonium. So nombor kat bawah tu subscript is 4. I remember like that. And 3 and 4, which one is bigger? 4 lah. This method only works for ammonia. Only for ammonia. Okay. So let's say in this point you want to react with aqueous ammonia solution. So this one, this is ammonium. So ni tak terlibat. Okay, but this would be as a product. Okay, contoh we have HCl and NH3. Okay, so what we will do, we will take this one, ammonia, right? And dia akan pergi buang this H to outside. So ammonia ni dia punya ion adalah NH4+. Okay, dia punya bentuk biasa is the atom is NH3 lah. So this NH4+ and Cl- will change the charges. Okay, charges dia ni pun satu, so tak ada apa lah. So write NH4 Cl, tu je lah. Okay, dah balance automatically. So this is how the process looks like. So betul tak from all this example, ionic compound kena ada when hydrogen ion, yeah, this is hydrogen ion, ni pun hydrogen ion from acid, betul. This one also we take the hydrogen ion from acid. This one also we take the hydrogen ion from acid. And the paling awal pun we take the hydrogen ion. So when all the hydrogen ion from the acid we replace with metal ion. Okay, like here we take Na+, right? So this is metal lah. That's why they say metal ion. Okay, like here we take Na+ juga, metal ion juga. Here we take K+, which is potassium, metal juga. Zn+, metal juga. Mg2+, metal juga. Right. So we ganti the H, we replace the H with metal ion or ammonium ion. Okay, you should mention this too. Common mistake from the candidate. One, they won't mention acid is an ionic compound. It's wrong. If people ask you to define about salt itself, you have to say the ionic compound word. It is a compulsory. So this is the first word that should be there. Is formed when the H+ or when the hydrogen ion from the acid, the whole thing, and this word replace should be there. Replace, don't say substitute lah, replaced. Okay, replaced with metal ion or ammonium ion. Itu je. I want you to memorize this definition because this can come out in paper 2. Okay, that's why I terang, because I terang nak bagi you nampak betul tak definition ni. So I dah terang, I give a complete explanation for this particular subtopic. So I will meet you in another one video to explain about what is that? Physical properties of salt crystals. Okay, salt crystals ni dia macam nak katanya, cuma nak kata, I will show you lah later. Okay, dia berbeza sikit dengan normal salt. Okay, dia berbeza sikit. So tu sahaja. So recap lagi sekali, saya nak you salin semua nota yang saya buat kat sini and copy all the examples. Okay, you boleh pause video and copy. Okay, tu sahajalah I guess. I will meet you in next video with physical properties, and I will be discussing test yourself 6.8 in next video. So I want you guys to already do this thing before watch this test yourself 6.8 video. Then only I will masuk the main subtopic preparation of salt, where I will explain every single thing on how this salt works, this and that. Understood? So that's it for today. Bye bye.